PrecisionCore heat-free technology, high productivity, and outstanding image quality. Epson's line of exceptional Business-inkjet printers deliver, setting a new standard in the office market. But why Business-inkjet? The advantage is powerful technology with a simple process for fast, professional quality printing. The future of printing begins with PrecisionCore heat-free technology, integrated in Epson's Business-inkjet portfolio. It's designed for minimal maintenance and reduced waste with high-yield consumables, and thanks to heat-free printing, these printers help to reduce power consumption by eliminating heat from the ink ejection process. Experience high productivity with fast print speeds, up to 100 pages per minute, with practically no warm-up time, resulting in a fast first page out, and fast set-out time to have documents in your hand quickly. These inkjet printers also have few moving parts, helping to reduce downtime and interventions. Plus, count on outstanding professional quality, vivid graphics, and affordable color prints. With Epson's DuraBright ink, replaceable ink packs and high-capacity ink cartridges allow you to print thousands of pages before replacing the ink, providing a low total cost of ownership. Epson is shaping the future of business printing with PrecisionCore heat-free technology, high-performance printers, and cost-effective color printing. Epson inkjet printers, a solution that delivers. Epson, exceed your vision.